Transcription number 9, 5 seconds. Start. Sir, the budget has been variously described and criticized as one that increases the burden of the common man, one which gives concessions to the rich and engages foreign investments. I agree, sir, that is all this and much more. But it certainly is not a highwayman's budget. To my mind, sir, the budget is sincere, conscientious, and at the same time, it is a bold effort on the part of the finance minister who is charged with heavy responsibility of finding resources for the third 5-year plan. This plan, to my mind, sir, is not at all ambitious in view of our needs. It may be looked upon as a rather heavy demand, but looking to our needs, it is not very ambitious. Sir, the fact that even the considerations of the coming general elections could not delect the finance minister from the course which seemed to him necessary and proper should earn him the appreciation of every right thinking man. The common man's interest, as I said, is nearer to our hearts that perhaps some others can claim, or at least it is equally near to us. And yet there come times in a nation's